Dave here from Dten, and today I'm showing you the Dten D7 here at ISE 2020. And the D7s come in a 55 and a 75 inch size. They're all-in-one Zoom room appliance, comes with everything including the wall mount. Simply hang it on the wall and away you go. Plug in your Ethernet or connect it via wireless either way. We're actually showing it here on a cart, so you can roll it from room to room, plug it in, and in 40 seconds it's up and running, and you've got a complete Zoom room appliance, complete touch screen ready to go. And if I want to engage a whiteboard, I can hit a whiteboard and away it goes. Runs the whole deal. I can draw, do everything I need to do. I can join a meeting, bring in my friends, join my calls. I can even hit meet and instant meet. If the calendar for the room is here and I had meetings available, there'd be a start button, so it's one touch start to join, and away it goes. Everything about the D7 is made as simple as possible. So we have our 4K camera, our 16 microphone array, and we have a Windows PC built into the back. The idea is everything is modular, so if a camera fails, all you do is pull the camera bar off, and away you go, drop it back on, and you're up and running again immediately. PC's in the back, it's on 2 screws, you pull the PC out, slide it back in, so you can service the thing in minutes, so your rooms are always up and running and always operating. For more information on the D7, the on or the go to www.dten.com.